Namaskar, I am Somnath Chakraborty and ex-student Hetampur Krishnachandra College. I completed my graduation from the Krishnachandra College from the Department of Education 2023. After that, I now do my master degree in education, and right now I job in Bajaj Capital Insurance Broking Limited company. First of all, I like to thank my department sir and ma'am, especially Dr. Sudhinder Roy sir and Ashish sir and Shamapti ma'am and everyone. Our education department teach us how to build a life. The main pillar of Hetampur Krishnachandra College, our respected principal sir, Dr. Gautam Chatterjee sir. Every year, our Krishnachandra College organized by job fair, job campusing, where many students shared their career and shared their life. I also got a job from Krishnachandra College job campusing. I will conclude my speech saying that our Krishnachandra College best temple of education. Thank you.